To stew a rump of beef or brisket the French way. Take a rump of beef, cut it from the bone. Take half a pint of white port and half a pint of bread, a little vinegar, some cloves and mace, half a nutmeg beat fine, some parsley chopped, and all sorts of sweet herbs, a little pepper and salt. Mix the herbs, spice and wine all together. Lay your beef in an earthen pan, put the mixture over it, and let it lay all night. Then take the beef and put it into a deep stew pan with 2 quarts of good gravy, the wine, etc., an onion chopped fine, some carrot, and 2 or 3 bay leaves. You may put in some thick rashers of bacon at the bottom of your pan. Stew it very gently for 5 hours, if 12 pounds, if 8 or 9, 4 hours, and keep the stew pan closed, covered. Then take the meat out and strain the liquor through a sieve. Skim all the fat off, put it into your stew pan with some truffles and morels, artichoke bottoms blanched and cut in pieces, or some carrots and turnips cut as for haricot of mutton, or a few savoys tied up in quarters and stewed till tender. Boil it up, season it with a little cayenne pepper and salt to your palate. Then put the meat in just to make it hot, dish it up. Garnish with dried sippets or lemon and beetroot.